How to open a Halifax bank account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to open a Halifax bank account online. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Halifax account and further tap on the very first link that appears. You will then be led to the official webpage of Halifax. In here, scroll down and you will be able to see a bunch of accounts that you can open with Halifax. Choose the account that you want to open and tap on that. I will tap on the current account option. You will then be asked if you are an existing customer. Tap on yes or no accordingly, and further you will be asked if you have a UK current account. So again, tap on yes or no accordingly. Now, scroll down and tap on the continue button. You will then be required to fill up the registration form. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, gender, title, phone number, email address, date of birth, and your country of birth and tap on continue. You will further be asked to type your address or postcode to begin. So enter that and finish the process by entering the required details. So, this is how you can open a Halifax bank account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.